Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix your apps crashing after iOS update on iPhone Air. First and foremost, if you installed a beta update, then there's nothing to be surprised when apps are crashing, because beta updates are test updates and they aren't released officially, but you can technically download them to test the software and give feedback to Apple. In that case, you can restore your iPhone to the previous version, but now it's going to get a little complicated. What's complicated here is to restore your iPhone, you would need to connect to a computer, first of all, and second of all, you will need to actually back up your data so you don't lose your data, because restoring your iPhone will erase the data on it. But here's the catch. If you're on, for example, let's say you have updated to iOS 27. When I'm recording this video, there's no iOS 27, but let's say you're watching this video about a year after it was released. Let's say you installed iOS 27 beta and the current official version is iOS 26. In that case, when you do a backup on iOS 27, you can only restore it on iOS 27 or newer. So if you go back to iOS 26, you can't really restore it until official iOS 27 rolls out. So what you can do is either do the backup, reset your iPhone, and wait until official version rolls out, and then reset your iPhone again and restore the backup from iOS 27 that you did before resetting your iPhone, restoring it. But it requires waiting, typically like up to 3 months, because typically like you download a beta about 3 months at max before the software gets released. But also you have an option to, if you did a backup earlier when your iPhone was not in beta, then you can restore it. If you did the backup on iOS 26, update it to 27, then you can restore it on 26 if you go back. Or you can just transfer your data manually. That's also possible by just like copying your photos somewhere, like onto an external drive, then just re-downloading your apps manually, and all the other things like contacts and stuff will get synced automatically, so don't worry about it, as long as you have them enabled in iCloud. So this is important. Now, if you want to restore your iPhone through your computer to a previous version, then there are videos on it on the channel. But now let's move on actually to things that are for those that don't install a beta. If you have any more questions about the beta, ask them in the comments. I just don't want to make the video too long, because there's a high chance you actually don't have a beta system. You just have a normal system. You didn't do any beta updates. You maybe don't know of them, so you should first restart your first close the app. So if you want to first close an app, slide up and hold from the bottom to open the recently open apps, then slide it up, slide up, and now it's forcefully closed, and see if it helps. If not, then first restart your iPhone. To do it, click shortly on volume up and release, volume down and release, then press and hold power button. So volume up, volume down, power button. Keep on holding until the device screen goes off. And now wait a moment until your iPhone screen turns back on. If that does not help, we will try updating the app. So we will go to the App Store on the iPhone and try updating the app that we have. Maybe the developer has released an update for the app and now it'll be working. I just don't have internet connection. I'm gonna enable it. Let's see if I have any Wi-Fi. Okay, I have it. It's loading App Store. We'll need to click on the profile icon in top right corner, and then we'll see all the updates available. So let's click here. Now, if there are any updates available, they will be shown here if you just scroll down. So you'll see it and try clicking on update on the app that crashes, so it'll fix it. But if there's no update or if the update didn't help, then check for your iOS update. So go to settings, go to general, go to software update. Maybe there's an update that will fix the issue with your iOS. Also, try reinstalling the app. So let's say, for example, that this app has a problem. We can press and hold on it, remove app, delete. Then go to App Store, go to the search for the app and download it. Now also you may want to free up storage space because low storage on your iPhone may cause problems. So go to the settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and now if you are low on storage, then you may want to uninstall some apps or delete some photos that you don't need, or delete some data within an app. And now let's get to the last thing, which is resetting all settings. But remember, resetting all settings will reset the settings. Won't erase your data, so that's great, but will reset settings. So if you've changed anything in the settings ever, then it'll reset that. It'll also forget Wi-Fi networks that you have connected to, and it will remove your screen lock, so you may need to later reset it up in the settings in Face ID and passcode. Now let's go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, reset, and reset all settings, reset all settings, reset all settings, and wait a moment. Now if that doesn't help, you may want to contact Apple support because they may be able to assist you in diagnosing the problem, especially if it's related to iOS itself, and maybe it'll actually prompt them to release an update that fixes an issue. And that will be about it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't be afraid to ask any more questions in the comments down below. Also, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.